Hey guys, what's up? Boo617, welcome back to the channel. So the weirdest thing is going on right now, right? So the Jeep has been giving me tons of issues. Now I've been fixing them myself. Problem. I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of it. It's a relatively decently new Jeep. It has low miles, only 60,000 miles, and it just continues to give me issues. So I decided today, I'm gonna go to some dealerships and just check out my options. So I did. So what happens? I go to a few dealerships. Yeah, I like what I seen, but then there was something that I really liked. 2020 Nissan Rogue. I don't know why. I just like Nissans, and I need a family car, something to put my equipment in, something to put the kids in, and that's what I did.
Hi. What's up? Hi. Follow me.
This is Sione, it's my daughter, and that's Makai, my little brother. Anyways, back to what I was talking about. So what happens? I seen the 2020 Rogue, and it's dope. So I sit down with the guy, we do paperwork, and that's it. I bought it, right? This is the Jeep. Trading her in. Follow me on Instagram, DJ Boo617. I'll tell you one thing though. One thing this thing has advantage over anything on the road is in the winter. Put that on four-wheel drive and forget about it. There is no snow that can stop you, that's for sure. This is the base model Jeep Liberty, and even that, it's a beast on the snow. It is time to say goodbye to the old wave and hello to the new. Nissan family, what's up? You gotta meet your sister. You gotta meet your sister Nismo. Wait till you meet your sister Nismo. Alright guys, so I would like to introduce to you my 2020 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive premium edition. So this is the SV premium edition. Comes with a bunch of goodies. Mean grill like that. Has these upgraded 18-inch wheels. Alright guys, we are in here. Now that we're in here, let's turn this bad boy on. I have currently put 255 original miles on it. As far as goodies, it got the navigation, which is pretty cool. One cool feature that I love is the camera setup. So it has the front, the back, and all around. As you can see, I can actually see all around the car. In the front, I love that feature. And obviously when I put it in reverse, it goes to the back camera. And the mirrors, they flip. As you can see when I put it back in park, they go back. I love that. One thing I really love is the climate control, because I am hot all the time. So if I'm riding with my girlfriend or anyone that I'm with and they're cold, they could just put their side up in heat. Oh my God, you don't even understand how much that's gonna save a headache for me specifically, because if my girl is cold and I'm hot, I'm gonna give in and I'm just gonna put it hot for her to be comfortable. So that's gonna save me a lot. So down here it has the all-wheel drive lock, sport mode, eco mode, and then heated steering wheel, which is a big plus for the winters here in Boston. Is actually this one here is the heated. This is the assistant heated steering wheel assistant. Now coming back outside, another feature that I really like is the kick. That feature that you Put your foot under and it automatically opens. Oh man, that's convenient when you got all them groceries in your hands. There we go. This is the back. I already got stuff in here. This is a pretty cool compartment. Just come out like this. Something pretty cool about this setup as well. This comes out and I could put them on these hinges and it becomes like shelves if I got multiple things I want to set up, and I'm going to show you that right now. So you can see it turns into shelves. I already got a few things under here, but I like it because if I don't want to use it, I just put this right back. It goes in the other hinge and it stores everything away. And it was never there. It was never there. And obviously, if I still got things in my hand, just kick right under, and she closes on her own. Love that. Coming to the front, it has these DRL lights, which are fire. Now the SV does not come with HIDs or LED headlights, so that's something that I'm definitely gonna do. And it does not come with the fog lights, and I already found some dope fog lights that are gonna go there. And it's actually a strip, a LED strip that kind of looks like these. It goes like that, and it's gonna look awesome. You guys will see when I install it. All right, guys, so I have my front seat all the way back, right? And this is the leg room I have, but if I need more leg room, these back seats actually go back, and they even recline back as well, which is awesome. So apart from the steering wheel being heated, it also has heated seats for the passenger and the driver, and it has AC vents for the passengers in the back. So all in all, I think this was a great purchase. The sticker price on this particular model, which is the SV all-wheel drive premium edition, was around $32K. After doing some haggling and them putting they put $2,500 in the system, so they took $2,500 off just because I have the Nismo. So they named it the Nissan loyalty program. So they took off $2,500, and they gave me more for the Jeep than they initially wanted to because I kept haggling. So it came out to a great price. So it was a great buy for the family, for myself. I'm definitely happy with this 2020 Nissan Rogue. If you want to check one out, take it from me. This is a good car. Great on gas so far as well. There's a bunch of features that I haven't gone through, but that's for another video, because it's gonna take way too long to go over everything that this thing can do. Can I go? But all in all, this was a great purchase. It was funny because while I was oh, that sun's right in my face. So I had one criteria for the sales rep that was helping me at the dealership. I told him I wanted a 2020 Nissan Rogue, but it needed to be pearl white. He's like, why? And I told him because I have a Nismo and it's pearl white, and they're gonna be sisters. So it needed to be pearl white. That's it. It needed to be pearl white. There was nothing around it. I needed it to match. Not only that, I like the pearl white. I think it's sexy. So it was a must. And with that said, guys, I'm almost to the gym, meeting up my boy, about to get it in right quick. Make sure you subscribe and like. I appreciate it. Love it. Boo Boo 617.